Hi, it's Rich Durrani. Thanks for watching TMC Net's Editor's Day Santa Clara 2015. On our program is Dave Stevens with ServiceNow. Dave, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for having me.
Thrilled to have you. Figure we start at the top. Your company on the service management space. Can you give us a little more on what you guys are up to?
Yeah, we help IT transform, kind of get into the future. Help them with service management, business management, delivery management, all things IT.
Why is that important these days?
Well, take a look around us at how technology is disrupting industry after industry. And when you look inside the enterprise, you wonder who's supposed to be the broker of this technology? Who's supposed to shepherd the transformation? And it's IT. And yet, IT is kind of battling from behind. They've got a bunch of legacy systems that they're dealing with, sometimes a bunch of irate users. So IT turns to ServiceNow, and we help them kind of get ahead of the game, put in systems to help them better manage how they interact with requesters, transform the service experience, and just do a better job of delivering IT all the time.
So basically, if you cannot measure it, you can't manage it. That's what you're getting at?
Sure, for sure, that's true.
So you're helping with the measurement and the reaction time and the smooth integration of the complaint to the resolution.
Yes. So that's there are these core IT service management processes where you go in and say, okay, if somebody has an issue with the service, that's an incident. If I determine the root cause, it's a problem. So I work on problem management, and when I figure out what to do about it, well, then I prosecute a change. That's called change management. So they turn to us to manage these processes, and we help them kind of put in a single system. Often they've got multiple systems to do this, so we help them consolidate it. And then, as a cloud company, we help them move all of these processes to the cloud, and it's transformational.
Very exciting. So in terms of trends you're seeing, now you just talked about disruption. Obviously, that's a huge trend in the market, but are there any other things that you're seeing that are worth sharing with the viewers out there?
Well, I would say that one thing that Gartner said just a month ago is they said, hey, every budget is becoming an IT budget. Technology is just interwoven into the enterprise. It wasn't that long ago that you turned to IT to fix your laptop, but now IT is called upon to fix the business, and it's a lot different role. And so IT organizations really want to help out. They want to help different lines of business get to the future, but it's really difficult and challenging, and those lines of business are impatient. So it's a difficult spot IT's in, and we're happy to be one of the vendors helping bridge the gap. IT itself doesn't have very good systems when it comes to managing their own work, and so they often turn to us because we can give them a bit more assistance as they're trying to fulfill this ever demanding mission.
So for the IT departments that are looking right now to implement a system like yours, why would they choose ServiceNow given the example or other potential competitors in the market?
Yeah, well, it's interesting. We're lucky enough to be the market leader in IT service management, and so obviously they kind of take a look at us because of that. But when you look, if you're going to be moving your services to the cloud, if you're going to be moving IT service management to the cloud, there's a few different things that you're looking for besides market leadership. One is, do you have low TCO? And what customers find with IT service management from ServiceNow is that it just takes a person or two to maintain an entire system, and that's what they want, because they want to be able to direct the major effort of IT on transforming business services, not on managing software. And the other thing they're looking for in IT is it's a mission-critical system, so if they're going to move service management to the cloud, they want an enterprise-grade cloud to move it to. So when you look at what we deliver, we have 16 data centers across 5 continents with unmatched availability, and a really amazing service, whether it's measured on the recovery time objective or any other aspect of the service. So they tend to turn to us because we're best in class in IT service management. We offer low TCO, and we've got this enterprise cloud capability that keeps their data secure and always on.
It's great. Now, in terms of forward-looking things, can you share anything in terms of news we may see in the future, or just at least areas that you may be focusing on?
Well, we have a new release that's coming out, very, very soon that we're super excited about. Every 6 months or so, we deliver a new version of the software, and it's always jam-packed full of new capabilities in the areas of project portfolio management or governance, IT operations management. I think it might be worth a read just to kind of go to the website, go to ServiceNow.com, and take a look at what we're up to. When people get a handle on IT service management, the next thing they want to do is transform the other aspects of IT. So they look at how am I managing the cost of IT? Do I really know what I'm spending my money on? And we have a product to help them with that called financial management. They want to figure out how can I get projects done faster, and how do I fund the right projects? And we offer project portfolio management, another product in that space. And then they want to spend less time on audits, on governance, risk, and compliance, preparing often for SOX audits, and we can take that from 7 months down to 2 weeks with our GRC solution. So all these products are advancing kind of at a 6-month clip in material ways.
That's great. Thanks so much for being here today. It's great.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.